What's up guys and welcome back to another video. I'm 7beats and in this video I'm going to show you how to make really chill Afro beats. Make sure to check out my African sample pack, the link is in the description. It includes all the samples which are used in this tutorial. I can highly recommend this one for creating Afro beats, and let's get right into the tutorial. For this tutorial I'm going to create some really chill chords. So the chords will be created in B minor and I'm going to use the Wurly V2 for the chord progression. I'm gonna pick this warm Wurly preset right here. I'm going to make an adjustment to the sound, like this. And we're gonna start off with this B and F, like this. We have to adjust the BPM to 102, for example. Copy this one. I'm gonna pick this F sharp. Duplicate it again and pick the D flat right here. Already sounds fire. We can use this B right here, like this. And I think the chord progression like this sounds really awesome, and I'm going to create an 8-bar pattern. And right now randomize the velocity. Really fire. So right now the final chord progression look like this, and I've added the root notes right here, which go really well together with the chords. Really fire. So right now I'm gonna copy those notes right here, this one, and I'm going to add a piano melody. So I'm going to use the Piano V2 and I'm going to use the Japanese classic preset and copy the chord progression into this one. So remove this part. I'm going to create a really simple melody. Like this. Just play around with the velocity. So I've tweaked this melody a little bit and I've added a note right here, like this. And this really adds some more rhythm to the piano melody. Really fire. And right now I think I want to add the saxophone. So I'm going to use Arcade. So I found this coffee house preset and I'm gonna set the key to B minor. I'm just gonna pick a random one. It's really awesome. So duplicate this one. So I'm going to turn the volume down a little bit. That's really fire. And I'm going to add a bass line. So I'm going to use Serum and I'm going to use my preset. You can just copy this one and just copy these notes into the bass pattern. And right now we're going to add the drums. So I'm going to use my African sample pack and just pick my samples from the percussion folder. So first I'm going to start off using this rhythm. Layer it with another element. Layering this one with this jam block, this one. Adding this one. Adding another percussion. Just some really simple patterns. But I've added some offbeat samples right here, which sounds perfect. So adjust the volume. And right now we're going to add just a really simple pattern like this. This one really has to blend together. So this is the kick pattern. Alright, now I'm going to add some swing. So I'm going to add 20% of swing. And right now I'm going to create an arrangement. So this is the final arrangement, and I've added some more elements which I'm going to show you right now. So this is the final drum pattern. I've added this shaker loop, this one. I've added a tom right here, this one right here. Really fire, and I've also added those rolls right here, this one. Really awesome. And then I've added this clap right here, which is used in a lot of those tracks. And right now I'm going to guide you through the final arrangement. First, just the chord progressions playing. Let's reduce some of the frequencies right here. A really chill beat. Just reduce the length of the kick pattern. And then just this piano chorus coming in. Just the main chord, but without the rhythm. Just to fill up the space a little bit. And right here the beat is basically repeating. Bassline is coming in, just to keep it interesting. And right here the piano rhythm is coming in, just to create some diversity, referring to this part of the beat right here. And then I'm layering the saxophone with the piano rhythm. Just just also keep it really interesting. And this is just the outro part of the beat. So as you can see, it's not a really advanced progression, just really simple. We've added some more effects to the saxophone right here. So I've also added a retro color, a vocal doubler to make the signal more wide. And then I've added some more reverb. So just a really huge amount of reverb, 44%. And on the piano I've used this EQ right here, so reduce some of those frequencies right here, the mid frequencies, and added some more high frequencies. Then I've added this reverb, this one right here, and then I've added some sidechaining to the piano. So just a little bit, but this really adds some more bounce to the piano. So without. And this really goes really well together with the drums right here. And that's basically it. So I showed you how you can create some really awesome melodies, add some drums, and then just create a really simple arrangement. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you have any suggestions what you want to see in one of the next videos, make sure to let me know in the comments, and see you guys in one of my next tutorials.